guys, it's me Jackson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to split apart and add connectors on Bambu Studio. So first you're going to find a model that you like. So right here I'm going to do this little rabbit, and next we're going to go open in Bambu Studio. And then so once it loads, you're going to click on your object, and then over here there's going to be a button that says cut. So you click that, and then this is going to show up. So we're going to cut it in half. So we're going to spin this until it's up and down. And then we're going to adjust this one right here. Like that. And then once you cut it, so you would glue it together right now. But let's say you don't want to glue it together. So you would click add connectors. I say just do the snap because they're the best. And you just turn your mouse right here. And then you just click where you want the connectors to be. So like maybe here, one here, and then one right there. So once you're happy with your connectors, you can look on this side and that side. You click confirm connectors and then perform cut. And then you can click on a piece, and then as you can see, there are the connectors right there. And then now, like you would normally do, you would slice it and then go print it. Then please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Jackson out.